Welcome back friends. Now you are watching IT Solution Nepal. First of all, thanks to all for supporting us. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. Let's start. Online examination of IT officer or computer officer set 3 hosted by IT Solution Nepal. First of all, question number 1. Dot includes review of the existing procedure and information flow. Option A, feasibility study. Option B, feasibility report. Option C, system design. Option D, system analysis. Question number 2. Dot refers to the collection of information pertinent to system project. Option A, data transfer. Option B, data gathering. Option C, data embedding. Option D, data request. Similarly, question number 3. Dot means coordinate effort to communicate the information of the system written form. Option A, system documentation. Option B, resource required. Option C, development schedule. Option D, user document. Question number 4. To create vehicle of information to provide evidence in the development process and to monitor the process. This is one of the objective of Option A, analysis. Option B, design. Option C, development. Option C, documentation. Question number 5. Which are the following are the levels of documentation? Option A, documentation for management. Option B, documentation for user. Option C, documentation for data processing department. Option D, all of the above. Question number 6. SDLC stand for? Option A, system development life cycle. Option B, structure design life cycle. Option C, system design life cycle. Option D, structural development life cycle. Question number 7. The main ingredient of the report documenting the dot is the cost benefit analysis. Option A, system analysis. Option B, feasibility study. Option C, system analyzed. Option D, system design. Question number 8. Or data flow can? Option A, only or data store. Option B, only leave or data store. Option C, enter or leave or data store. Option D, either enter or leave or data store but not both. Question number 9. Which of the following is not a traditional method of collecting system requirements? Option A, interviewing. Option B, RAD. Option C, observation. Option D, document analysis. Question number 10. When comparing questionnaire to interviews, questionnaires option A are rated high in terms of information richness. Option B are rated high in terms of expense. Option C are limited in terms of sense for follow-up. Option D have an active and involved subject. Question number 11. Which one of the following is not an actor in Z session? Option A, user. Option B, tester. Option C, scribe. Option D, sponsor. Similarly, question number 12. What of the following is not an output of Z session? Option A, context diagram. Option B, DFDS. Option C, ER model. Option D, UML diagrams. Question number 13. What is operating system? Option A, collection of programs that manage hardware resources. Option B, system service provider to the application program. Option C, link to interface the hardware and application program. Option D, all of the mentioned. Question number 14. Which one of the following is not a true? Option A, kernel is the program that constitutes the central core of the operating system. Option B, kernel is the first part of operating system to load into memory during booting. Option C, kernel is made of various modules which cannot be loaded in running operating system. Option D, kernel remain in the memory during the entire computer system. Question number 15. Which one of the following error will be handled by the operating system? Option A, power failure. Option B, lack of paper in printer. Option C, connection failure in our network. Option D, all of the mentioned. Question number 16. By operating system, the resource management can be done via option A, time division multiplication, option B, space division multiplexing, option C, time and space division multiplexing, option D, none of the mentioned. Question number 17. If a process fails, must operating system write the error information to a dot. Option A, log file, option B, another running process, option C, new file, option D, none of the mentioned. Question number 18. Which one of the following is not a real-time operating system? Option A, VxOak, option B, Windows CE, option C, RT Linux, option D, Palm operating system. Question number 19. The operating system X has option A, monolithic kernel, option B, hybrid kernel, option C, microkernel, option D, monolithic kernel with modules. Question number 20. The system which allow only one process execution at a time are called option A, uniprogramming system, option B, uniprocessing system, option C, unitasking system, option D, none of the mentioned. Question number 21. In Unix, which system call create the new process? Option A, fork, option B, create, option C, new, option D, none of the mentioned. Question number 22. A process can be terminated due to option A, normal exit, option B, fatal error, option C, killed by another process, option D, all of the mentioned. Question number 23. What is the ready state of process? Option A, when process is scheduled to run after some execution. Option B, when process is unable to run until some task has been completed. Option C, when process is using the CPU. Option D, none of the mentioned. Question number 24. A relational database consists of collection of option A, tables, option B, fields, option C, records, option D, keys. Question number 25. A dot in a table representation or relationship among a set of value. Option A, column, option A, column, option B, key, option C, row, option D, entry. Question number 26. The term dot is used to refer to a row. Option A, attribute, option B, tuple, option C, field, option D, instance. Question number 27. For each attribute of a relation, there is a set of permitted values called the dot of the attribute. Option A, domain, option B, relation, option C, set, option D, schema. Question number 28. Database dot which the logical design of database, and the database dot which is snapshot of the data in the database at a given instant in time. Option A, instant schema, option B, relation schema, option C, relation domain, option D, schema instant. Similarly, question number 29. Which one of the following is a set of one or more attributes taken collectively to uniquely identify record? Option A, candidate key, option B, sub key, option C, super key, option D, foreign key. Question number 30. A dot is a property of the entire relation rather than one of the individual tuples in which each tuple is unique. Option A, rows, option B, key, option C, attribute, option D, fields. Question number 31. Using which language can a user request information from a database? Option A, query, option B, relational, option C, structural, option D, compiler. Question number 32. Student ID, name, depart name, total credit in this query which attribute form of the primary key? Option A, name, option B, department, option C, total credit, option D, ID. Question number 33. Which one of the following is a procedural language? Option A, domain relational calculus, option B, tuples relational calculus, option C, relational algebra, option D, query language. Question number 34. The dot operation perform a set of union of two similar structure tables. Option A, union, option B, join, option C, product, option D, intersect. Question number 35. The most commonly used operation in relational algebra for projecting a set of tuple from a relation is option A join, option B projection, option C select, option D union. Question number 36. The IETF standard document are called option A RFC, option B RCF, option C ID, option D DFC. Question number 37. In the layer hierarchy, as the data packet moves from the upper to lower layers, headers are option A edit, option B remove, option C rearrange, option D modify. Question number 38. The structure or format of data is called option A syntax, option B semantics, option C struct, option D formatting. Question number 39. Communication between a computer and keyboard involves transmission. Option A automatic, option B half duplex, option C full duplex, option D simplex. Question number 40. The first network was called option A CNNet, option B NSFNet, option C ASAPNet, option D ARPANET. Question number 41. The dotted format is usually used to store data. Option A BCD, option B decimal, option C hexadecimal, option D octal. Question number 42. The 8-bit encoding format used to store data in computer is option A ASCII, option B ABC DIC, option C ANCI, option D USCII. Question number 43. A source program is usually in option A assembly language, option B machine level language, option C high level language, option D natural language. Question number 44. Which memory device is generally made of semiconductor? Option A RAM, option B hard disk, option C floppy disk, option D CD disk. Question number 45. Dotted bus structure is usually used to connect I/O devices. Option A single bus, option B multiple bus, option C star bus, option D rhombus. Question number 46. Which of the following is not a type of cybercrime? Option A data theft, option B forgery, option C damage to data and systems, option D installing antivirus for protection. Question number 47. Which of the following is not done by cyber criminals? Option A unauthorized account access, option B mass attack using Trojan or botnets, option C email spoofing and spamming, option D report vulnerability in a system. Question number 48. All of the following are techniques B2C e-commerce companies uses to attack customer expect. Option A registering with search engine, option B viral marketing, option C online ads, option D virtual marketing. Question number 49. Set of independent electronic store can be generally labeled as option A electronic shopping mall, option B electronic wallet, option C electronic stores, option D generalized store. Question number 50. Which of the following describe e-commerce? Option A doing business electronically, option B doing business, option C sale of goods, option D all of the above. Thanks to all who participate in this examination, and don't forget to subscribe this channel and share with your friends. Thank you.